Nohup is not writing log to output file. I'm using the following command to run a Python script in the background. But it appears that Nohup is not writing anything to the log file. Command log is created, but is always empty. In the Python script, I'm using sys.stout.write instead of print to standard output. Am I doing anything wrong?
It looks like you need to flush stout periodically, e.g. sys.stout.flush. In my testing, Python doesn't automatically do this even with print until the program exits.
You can run Python with the U flag to avoid output buffering.
Or this URL.
To run a Python script in the background and ensure that output is saved, you can use Nohup along with the U option to force the stout and stare streams to be unbuffered. This allows you to see real-time output in the nohup.out file. What is Nohup? Nohup stands for no hang up. It is a POSIX command used to run another command or script in the background, even after logging out from the session. When you use Nohup, the command continues to run after the session ends, making it ideal for long-running processes. How to use Nohup with Python? To run your Python script with unbuffered output using Nohup, use the following command. This command will save the output in the default nohup.out file in the current directory. If you want to save the output to a specific directory, you can redirect it like this. Using Python unbuffered. Alternatively, you can achieve the same unbuffered output behavior by setting the Python unbuffered environment variable. This variable works similarly to the U option. Before running your Python script, set the environment variable. Or then, run your script with Nohup. OS dependency. The Nohup command is primarily used in Unix-like operating systems such as Linux and macOS. On Windows, Nohup is not available natively. However, you can achieve similar functionality using the start command or running scripts as background tasks using PowerShell or Task Scheduler. If you need to run long-running processes on Windows, consider using a virtual machine or WSL, or Windows subsystem for Linux, where Nohup is available. Additional tip. For scheduled execution or managing background tasks, consider using tools like cron jobs on Unix-like systems. These tools provide more flexibility for running scripts at specific intervals or in the background,